Because you know that if it's performing well in the 3x3 court, you can expect it to be better when you go on wood. Rocky Asite with a miss. Baka sa semento kaya din yung Skechers. For sure, semento. You know, if we're gonna be selling, syempre, if you're gonna be talking to the Filipino basketball crazy people, you really need a shoe that performs on any flooring. That's what we're seeing. DJ Jimmy. And I believe they're also warming up right now. Finding the rhythm. St. Davis underneath. St. Davis. First one of the game, Rain on top by one. 1-0. Davis out CORALDE, open two. They let him shoot. And miss the fade. Kailangan waiting, mga 1 PM pa lang, nag-warm up na. Mag-alas 5 na kasi, mag-alas 6 na eh. Robbie down. Oh, Luther's had basketball. So they're going to fix it up. Asite. Oh, nice pass. And hits it. To Luis. Asite again, that pick and roll. I want to go back to Sir David and the two here. Sir David, what do you think of the action we're seeing so far? It's not an intense against.
Very intense. This is the way we remember playing basketball in the street.
Indeed, that's very sorry. And this, I know you were there also when we launched the sneakers last October. We had actually some of the players here were also there, and I'm sure they've given you feedback on what they thought about the shoes. What did the players love about the Skechers basketball line?
Well, it's the comfort, the innovative technology, the grip. Like you said earlier, for a power player, so they really did that feature. That gives them comfort.
If I may ask our two bosses, if we could get into the, okay, sorry, David, if I can ask, what was the selection process like? What made you feel that Julius and Terrence would be perfect for the brand, especially the basketball aspect of the basketball line of Skechers?
Look at that. They're perfect for the brand. They're perfect for everything. You cannot see it. They actually were players that wanted to be involved in the program. It wasn't just that they wanted to be part of everything that was going on. They wanted to be part of the process, part of the making, part of bringing it out to the world. It was their playing, so just like we do here, we go out and play with the kids. We want to have the best for the kids to play in, so they're a perfect choice for us to part of our family, and that's what makes it so good.
I love that. And I think it really goes both ways. Like, Julius and Terrence deserve to have their own sneakers and Skechers. The brand deserves athletes like them to be represented by athletes like them. Really, it's right. It's a no-brainer. When you look at Julius and Terrence, they're fit for the brand. All right, 6.5 minutes to go. I'm expecting scoring to pick up in a bit. Yeah, right there. And as you say that, all right, Filipino, of course, an NCAA champion. Sigre gets blocked. Derby. Oh, there's the physicality of 3x3 basketball. Filipino head of the line. This team, PERFORMACE up by one. Again, we have a lot of PBA players. Oh, that's right, that's right. It's a mix really of players in different co-leagues and collegiate leagues also here in the Philippines. Also some personalities that might not be playing as professional basketball players, but definitely basketball enthusiasts, definitely excited to be participating in the Skechers 3x3. You know, Miss Lester David Mikey earlier, when we asked them about some of their favorite features of the Skechers basketball line, the keyword, one of the keywords was comfort. And I think that's been the story of Skechers for decades now. We know it's a comfortable shoe. It's been proven. But now the introduction of the Skechers basketball line, is it comfortable enough to perform also? And that's what we're answering right now. And the resounding answer is yes.
Well, if you have guys playing the highest level, on the highest level, you have to have shoes that can perform, and you have to have shoes that look good at the end of the day, because these guys right here play in front of thousands or millions of people, and they're comfortable playing in the Skechers, and that says a lot about the basketball line again of the brand.
As we head back to this game, CRUZ secret to ball short. Game's tight. Tolentino could not break the tie. Secret with the rebound.
We're halfway through this game. Secret.
Once again, we'd like to invite everyone, if you're hearing our voices wherever you are, here in Market, see it below, be this activity center, because exciting stuff going down, and we're very excited to be with basketball superstars Julius Randle and Terrence Mann for the Skechers 3x3.
We have there over on the left side of the floor, we have fans, of course, waiting for autographs and photos maybe. Of course, these are fans of Julius and Terrence. Again, basketball is just, the biggest thing here in the Philippines, and they're seeing it firsthand.
Yeah, and we're seeing some of the people ready with memorabilia. We might racing them. There you go. They're ready. And there's hoping, of course, that we get to reach that point later on with Julius and Terrence. We'll see what we can do, but definitely, I love the memorabilia and the stuff that they brought.
Secret hits from the outside. Here's Tolentino. Down. For two.
Of course, after this, we'll have a special 3-point shootout featuring our NBA players, our Skechers ambassadors. Yung isa pang invite ko to everyone might be, since if you guys are around the activity center anyway, well, as you can see, right there is the Skechers store. And I'm sure you're going to see something you like, something you love. So give it a visit. And don't be afraid to walk away with a paper bag or 2 or 5.
You probably will. If you get a Skechers store, you're going to find something that you're going to use, whether it be you're running or for walking, when you want to go out, you want to hoop.
Definitely covers something. About 3 minutes left. Tolentino missing, coming up his own miss. Now he attacks, plays it to CRUZ. Tara. Tolentino to break the tie, did not do so. CORALDE, trying to get it to Davis, eventually lands in the hands of Kane. Beautiful play.
And they take the lead. Tara. Gonna get it to go. Here's the secret. They're up 1. A secret from Cleveland. Tara attacks the middle. Ooh, Joey. Davis against CRUZ.
Missing on the left team. Nice pass. Simple to pass. Jeremy. Time. A little over 2 minutes remaining. Coralde from the corner. Took his sweet time. Valentino. Minute 46 remaining here in our second game. Again, this is your Skechers 3x3 featuring, of course, our new shoes on Skechers Nexus in neon green. Dara, step back two, butter. That's tough. Going back to the wire in this game. 1 point game. Davis with a miss. That ball from the team performance. A chance of time when you take the lead. Valentino from the outside and out. Here's Coralde. Davis with the pick. Coralde. Asibre. Valentino had it in cuffs. Asibre. Coralde holding on the other side. Short. Huge two-pointer for Dara. They're up by 1. And the steal. 20 seconds. Valentino. Jeremy. Oh, miss. Ray has a chance. Asibre, they're on 1. For the lead. No. Davis gets it. And we are tied at 14. I'm telling you, it ain't no friendly. It's overtime.
How does it work at 3 or 3? How does it work? What's the rules?
You need first to score 2. First is, it's not lead by 2. First to score 2 in overtime wins the game. The first to win 16. You can take a shot from the outside right away and finish the ball game. First to 16. Team rating, team performance. They're going for the 1 first. All right. Team performance 1 point away from the win. But Ray can steal it with a deuce. Coralde going for the win.